problems based on composite functions. So here we are going to perform few problems which are based upon these composite functions or mappings in part 3 under the advanced level. So here in this part 3, so here we are going to assume two functions such as f and as well as g. The composite of those two functions is given by means of f of g or g of h. But let us find out the value of f of g of some value, that is 3 in the first case, and later I say here g of h of 3 in the next case. Then later say here the problem number 1. So under this problem number 1, let the first function be f, which is from R into R, and the second function is given by means of g. So this is also from R into R. These two functions are defined by the first function f is given by means of, is defined by means of f of x is equals to 1 plus 2x, and the second function, that is g, is defined by means of g of x is equals to 3 minus 2x. So here we have to find out f of g of 3 in the first case, and in the next case g of f of 3. So now here the first case is of f of g of 3 and the second case is of g of f of 3. Solution starts now. So in our solution, as per the problem, the two functions which are given to us are of, one is of f, which is from R into R, defined by f of x is equals to 1 plus 2x, and the another one, that is g, function g is from R into R. So this is also defined by means of g of x is equals to 3 minus 2x. But here in case number 1 we are going to find out f of g of 3. Then now we are going to perform the case number 1. So in case number 1 we have to find out f of g of 3. Then now, so that implies here f composite g of 3. So here when the circle is removed, we have to write the bracket, then g of 3. Then now the next logical step will be of. But here we have to find out within the square brackets, that is of g of 3, but the g of x is given by means of the original function, but g of x is given by 3 minus 2x, whereas this is the given function. Then now the next logical step will be of. So within this brackets, square brackets, there is of g of 3. So we are going to find out g of 3. Then now here x is replaced by means of 3 in this case. So here at x equals to 3, the logical step will be of. So that implies 3 minus 2 into x replaced by means of this 3. Then now, So here that implies 3 minus 2 3s is of 6, but whereas here 6 is of negative and 3 is of positive, further logical step will be off. So that implies plus of minus is minus, we have to subtract the greater minus least, that is 6 minus 3 is of 3. So in order to assess the sign of this 3, so here we have to see the greater among these 6 and 3. So here 6 is greater than 3, 6 sign is of negative, therefore this 3 assess the sign of negative. So in this manner I got, so here g of 3 is equals to minus 3. But so we have to replace this g of 3 in this, that is g of 3 in this function, that is f of g of 3. So here but f of g of 3 is equals to f bracket g of 3. Then now that implies f of, but g of 3 value is given by means of minus 3. Then now in order to find out f of minus 3, so here we must know the f of x. So here but f of x is given by means of, as per the problem, f of x is given by means of 1 plus 2x. So this is the given function as per the problem. Then now, so here we have to find out f of minus 3. So here f of minus 3 is equals to, so here this x must be replaced by means of minus 3. So at x is equals to minus 3, the next logical step will be of, so here 1 plus 2 into x replaced by means of this minus 3, the next logical step will be of 1 plus of minus is of minus, that is 1 minus 2 3 is of 6. Then now here to simplify further, 6 is of negative and 1 is of positive, plus of minus is minus, we have to subtract. So here when we subtract greater minus least, that is 6 minus 1 is of 5, then now to assess the sign of this 5, 6 is greater than 1, 6 sign is of negative, therefore it assesses the sign of negative. So in this manner we got, so f of g of 3 is equals to f of minus 3, but this f of minus 3 value is of minus 5. So in this manner I got f of g of 3. So here therefore f of g of 3 is equals to f of minus 3, but this f of minus 3 is of minus 5. So in this manner I got its value as minus 5 from the case number 1. Then now let us go for the case number 2. So in the case number 2 we have to find out so now case number 2. So in this case number 2 we have to find out g of f of 3. Then now, so that implies when this composite, that is circle, is removed, so here we can write by means of this square bracket. So instead of this circle I wrote the square bracket, then f of 3 within the brackets, then now square bracket closed. Then now, but here in order to find out f of 3, so the given function f of x is given by means of, so but as per the problem f of x is given by means of 1 plus 2x, which is the given function. Then now, so here we have to replace this x by means of this 3 in order to find out f of 3. So here f of 3 equals to, whereas in this case x must be replaced by means of this 3. So at x is equals to 3, the next logical step will be of 1 plus 2 into x is equals to 3, then the next logical step will be of, so that implies 1 plus 2 3s, the bracket indicates into, so here 2 into 3 is of 6, so that equals to 1 plus 6 is of 7. So in this manner I got, so here f of 3 value as 7, but here we have to replace f of 3 by means of 7 here, that is g of f of 3. So here but g of f of 3 is equals to g bracket of f of 3. Then now, so that implies g f of 3 value is of 7. So I am going to replace f of 3 by means of 7. Now we have to find out g of 7. To find out g of 7, the given function, that is g, is of So here g of x is given by means of, as per the problem, so g of x is given by means of 3 minus 2x. So this is the given function. But here, as per the problem, we have to find out g of 7. So here g of 7, in order to find out g of 7, so here x must be replaced by means of this 7. So here at x is equals to 7, the next logical step will be of 3 minus 2 into x value, it must be replaced by means of 7. Then now that implies 3 minus 2 sevens, bracket indicates into 2 into 7 is of 14. Then now the next logical step will be of 14 is of negative and 3 is of positive. So here to further simplification, so plus of minus is minus, let us subtract. So here when we subtract greater minus this, that is 14 minus 3 is of 11. So here 14 is greater, its sign is of negative. So in this manner I got g of 7 so here g of 7 is equals to minus 11. But this g of 7 is equals to g of f of 3. So in this manner I got, so here therefore g of f of 3 is equals to minus 11. So in this manner I got g of f of 3 as minus 11. In the first case, I got the value of f of g of 3 f of g of 3 as minus 5, and in the next case, so I got the value of g of f of 3 as minus 11.